Making of detergents. Making of this. How to make these detergents. Okay. Sodium alkyl sulfate. So first, this sodium alkyl sulfate is made from a long-chain alcohol. It's made from alcohol. So we have now these things. Okay, all these vertex here represent the carbons. Represent a carbon with 2 hydrogens. So 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 carbons. Okay, and 13. Okay, there's 1 carbon, 1 more carbon here. So we start from a long chain alcohol, and then we make this alcohol react with concentrated sulfuric acid. This is H2SO4. This one. This is H2SO4. So sulfuric acid. So alcohol react with sulfuric acid, and what happened is that the OH here and the hydrogen here, okay, is removed. After the OH and H is removed, then the long chain combine or attach to the sulfate. Oh, can you please tell me what's the name of this process? We take out OH and H to form water, and then these 2 molecules joins together to form one big molecule. So do you still remember what's the name of this process? What's the name of these reactions? Condensation. Yes, condensation. You take out 1 water molecule and then make these 2 molecules join together. This is condensation. Hydrolysis is the opposite. You add water. You add water to this structure and make them separate. That's hydrolysis. So hydrolysis is the opposite of condensation. This is the condensations. Condensations reactions. So after these reactions, then we have alkyl sulfonic acid. Alkyl sulfonic acid. This alkyl sulfonic acid react with sodium hydroxide. Then you will form the salt of sodium alkyl sulfate, and this is detergents. This is detergents. So that's how we make sodium alkyl sulfate. Okay, so it looks quite easy, right? Okay, so you just need to remember what are the substance that we use at the very beginning. It's long chain alcohol with concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, and after you get this alkyl sulfonic acid, then you make it react with sodium hydroxide, then you get the detergents that you want. Okay, then how about the makings of detergents? Sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate. Now this one starts from a long chain alkene. Just now it's from alcohol, right? Okay, this one is from alkene. And then we let these alkenes react with benzene. So this beehive with circles in the middle is benzene, and the circle represents the double bond. Still remember, okay? It has 3 pairs of double bond. 3 pairs double bond, and the circle represents the double bond. So we have a double bond here, okay? React with the double bonds inside the alkene. This benzene and this alkenes combines together, then it will form alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene. So then the double bond is broken. Okay, then it will become a single bond. So then we get alkyl benzene. Now this alkyl benzene, we make it react with concentrated sulfuric acid. After reacting with this concentrated sulfuric acid, so the OH here, okay, the OH here and the H. There's a H here, okay, you see, you see there is a hydrogen here. So it means that actually there's a hydrogen here. So this hydrogens, so there's a hydrogen here, react with this water, OH, and then form water molecule. Because some students, they think, how comes here is H2, but there's one H here only, so where is another H come from? Okay, because here, you see, there's nothing here, right? Looks like there's nothing here, okay, but actually, this vertex, it represents 1 carbon with 1 hydrogen. It represents 1 carbon with 1 hydrogen. So this OH combined with a hydrogen here form the water molecule, and these two big molecule, then they would join together. Again, this is condensation, right? You take out 1 water molecules to make these 2 big molecules join together. This is condensation. And this process actually is called sulfonations. Sulfonations. Okay, so now then we have alkyl benzene sulfonic acid. We have this acid. Remember, detergent is a salt, so this acid react with alkali, then you're going to get salt, right? So the last stage is we do the neutralizations reactions. Okay, we make this acid react with sodium hydroxide. React with sodium hydroxide, then you get sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate. So this sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate react with, this alkyl benzene sulfonic acid react with sodium hydroxide, then you will get this sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate, and this is the detergents. This is detergents. So this is how we make detergent.